order that you, as a facilitator, might use these tips, starting with 10 tips to open an active learning session to 10 options to close an active learning session. Between, you will find 10 tips to become an engaging facilitator, 10 storytelling tips, 10 strategies for forming groups, and 10 ways to address challenging situations. You will also find these lists on the matching website so that you will be able to download them and keep them within easy reach while you are designing or while you are in front of a classroom. 101 Ways. The 101 techniques described in this book are divided into 5 sections. Each is described here to help you know where to find the technique that will be most beneficial. Again, the techniques are arranged to some degree in the order that you, as a facilitator, might use the techniques. Open every session actively. This section contains icebreakers, introduction techniques, ways to identify participant needs, and other kinds of opening activities. These activities provide you with techniques to start your learning sessions off right, with participants taking an active role right from the start. Icebreakers and introductions. Introduces participants to each other and the content. Reveals participant expertise and experiences with the content. Offers opportunities for participant to be involved and speak early. Identifying participant expectations. Facilitates cooperation and understanding of participant attitudes and current level of skills and knowledge. Helps to clarify what will and will not happen in the session. Tips off facilitator about the potential need to adjust the delivery plan. Delivering active learning. This section contains techniques that can be used throughout a learning session. The activities remind you of the critical elements to keep learning active, how to get participants involved, tie the content to the real world, allow for practice, and encourage participants to share what they know with their peers. Connecting learning to the workplace. Ensures that throughout the learning session, you have ways to remind learners that it's all about what they take back to the workplace that counts. Engaging participants in learning. Reminds us that engagement equals learning and that using unique techniques is a great way to garner engagement. Enhance learning with practice. Acknowledges that practice is the best way to enable learning, especially when you are able to set up the classroom with practical situations that learners will face upon their return to the workplace. Learn with your peers. Recognizes the value that all learners bring to the classroom based on their expertise and experience. Helps participants sort out what they understand, what they still need to learn, and what questions they may have as they lead their own learning. Content to support active learning. This section presents specific content for the most common topics delivered: communication, diversity, leadership, and teamwork. The content works well as a part of a session with the same title, or built into another type of learning session. For example, the communication activities could be a part of a managerial skills session, as new managers learn the important part that communication plays in their role as a manager. Communication. Offers content ideas and twists to the one skill that most of us still need to work on. Introduces the importance of stories and words in communication. Expands awareness of generational differences and challenges we all face. Diversity and inclusion. Provides new ideas and activities for a topic our organization